Well, good morning, and I feel like I'm on the Amazon River in South America because of all this rain, but I'm gonna stop complaining about the rain because I think you guys are probably tired of hearing it and I'm tired of talking about it. But got some cool stuff that just came in the auction. So we had a semi come in yesterday while we were doing loadout, so it got a little bit nutty, and things are just kind of put down wherever I could set them at the moment. But check this out. These are remote controlled tracked lawnmowers. Okay, so these mow your yard while you sit in a little chair with a little remote and operate it. And it has a snow blade on it. So for you northerners out there that want to do your driveway while you're sitting inside your living room looking out the window, you can crank one of these bad boys up, plow your driveway while you stay in the warmth. So I don't know about you, but that is cool. So you got a blade here. It's I believe it's battery. I never got one of these before. It looks like it's a battery controlled, kind of like a golf cart. So you charge it. Yeah, here you go. So here's shut off switch, key. You can see how wide they are. I don't know what the deck is yet. I'll figure all that out. Yep, that's what it is. It looks like a little electric mower, electric motor, and then you've got the controls. So I'm gonna have to dig into this, but that's probably the coolest thing that I've seen come in a really long time, a remote controlled lawnmower. Some other stuff that we've got coming in, or that came in, we got some more mini skids. So see how they sank in the mud? That's how bad this is. This is ridiculous. I spent most of last night and most of the morning drying this out, getting it down to hard pack, taking off the topsoil just to make it to where we could get around. Also got some other skid steers that just came in, some SDLs 50s. These are gasoline, but they're a little bit bigger. They've got the bigger pumps, really nice machines. Then we've got a leaning tower of implements right over here. It looks like that's going to fall over, but those are some mini skid implements. So I got blades, I got land levelers, I got 4-in-1 buckets, I don't know what that is, a rototiller. But this is what I really wanted to show you. Look at that. Okay, what's your guesses? Because I'm fixing to tell you. This is, let me get over here. I gotta watch all the mud. This is a ride-in street sweeper. So you sit inside the cab and it is a mini street sweeper. You can see the brushes right there. I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's gasoline powered. It's got lights, it's got rollers, it's got tires. Yeah, pretty cool. So we are getting some very unique items at Red Stag Auctions, and this will all be for sale next month. So I have an auction once a month. So in my September auction is when all this new stuff that I'm showing you today will be for sale. And guess what? We're getting another container tomorrow morning. We've gotten 3 this week. So it's getting a little bit ridiculous, but just giving you an update. I'm waiting for it to start raining again. Channel 9, Lacey Lowry told me it was gonna rain, so my skin's getting really wrinkled from all this moisture, guys. Pray that it goes away, but I think it's supposed to start again tomorrow. So we've extended loadout according to the weather programming. So we're gonna do Saturday. We've even threw it to next week just because it's too crazy. But thankfully I got it down to hard pack now, took off all the topsoil. My road that I made that I was really proud of, it no longer exists. It's gone. It's gone to bye-bye land. So that's several $1,000s down the drain. But we'll start again. There's always tomorrow. Love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Red Stag Auctions, baby.